through the LOP. Hey guys, so it is the morning. Every time I wake up in the morning, my nose is runny, very annoying. I have like really bad allergies, and I don't know if I've told you guys, but my room accumulates so much dust, so I always have a runny nose no matter what, no matter the time of the year or what, because then my allergies just start acting up and just start getting activated. I'm going to probably go get like a Claritin or something to just get me through the day. But I am currently getting ready to go to a photo shoot, so I'm doing my makeup. I have to be there for 10 o'clock, and right now it is literally 9:29, and as you guys can see, I am about halfway done with my makeup, but not even halfway done to be out the house. I should have been done with my makeup already, but I didn't go to sleep yesterday until 2 in the morning, so I woke up a little later than I wanted to. I was trying to wake up at 8 and I did not, so I had to rush and do everything, take a shower and all of that. So I am just trying to rush and just get everything done. If you hear a little buzzing sound, that is my lights. My lights does that when it's like low. It's like a little buzz. If you don't hear it, that's great. And yeah, and now I'm just trying to be out the house at least before 9:45. That is like kind of unrealistic for me to be saying for me to do, but I'm gonna try, you know. I'm gonna try. And then I still need to get breakfast, so like whenever I'm running late, I try not to run no more than 15 minutes late, you know. So boom, now I'm gonna take my my blush, and then I'm gonna take my blush and put my blush on my eyes. I wanted to do like a gold lid, but I know if I try to sit here and do that right now, it's gonna take a really long time. Well, not long time, but it's gonna take me 5 minutes more than I wanted to take me. So I'm just gonna do this because it's quick. Since that's done, I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty. Usually I use my brow freeze, but I don't think I have enough time to be as precise as I want to be. So I'm gonna take my brow freeze from, I said my brow freeze, my Fenty Beauty brow wax, and I'm gonna put that through my brows. I'm going the opposite way of my brow hair, so that way it goes on all of my brows, and then put some in the front and just brush it up. I'm gonna use, I don't like this little brush that they have with it. I feel like people like it. I don't. I have a way better way of how I do my eyebrows, but because I'm in a rush, it's not really much. I'm gonna take a little bit of brow freeze. I can't, like, I just like the way this makes my brows look, so I'm gonna take a little bit and just brush that through. All right, y'all, I am on my way to my photo shoot. Well, not on my way, I'm basically here. I'm running really late, to be honest. It's kind of sad how late I'm running, but I wanted to show y'all my brows. I did my brows so good today, and it's because I used the new Anastasia brow. I mean, and mind you, I was rushing and I like the way it looks. So imagine when I take my time and I really do this like very precise and really nice. I'm so happy I bought this because it looks so good. Like, it's giving me like natural brows. Like, it's giving me what I've always wanted my eyebrows to give. You get what I'm saying? Like, you see all this right here is not my hairs, but it looks like my hairs. I'm loving it. Hold on, let me call them and tell them to open up the gate, because sometimes they don't be paying attention to the cameras. Like, whenever I have makeup on, my phone does not recognize me, which means that I look different. So don't know how to feel about that. Yeah, so I don't have my lip on because I had my mask on, so that is why I don't have my lip on. But I'm about to be in here. My curls drops. Hi, can someone open up the gate, please? Thank you. But yeah, I'm here, and you know, we're just gonna do like regular shoots, and hopefully it's regular and it's not anything crazy, because I am PMSing, so, and I definitely did not wear a tampon today, so there's that. I I mean, I think I have tampons in my bag. I think. I'm not 100% sure. And I told him I was running late anyways, so I'm gonna keep this in here because if I take this with me, it's gonna be an issue. But I told him I was running late today anyways because it's just, I have a lot of things that I have to do, and it just seems like, oh, did I turn my car off? I did not. So I made a promise to myself to be more transparent when it comes to social media and everything. And if I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do this. And I didn't wanna come on here and just show you guys. As of late, I feel like I've been like kind of just lost in the sense of like mainly work. I feel like purpose, not understanding like what it is I'm supposed to do, what steps, what are my next steps, what isn't working, why isn't it working. I just been out of it. I feel like it's affecting me in so many ways, and I'm trying my best. I'm trying my best for it not to affect me. And I know I feel like I'm speaking in circles. I'm just waiting for the moment where like it all just comes together, and I just feel like it isn't coming. And I know that I have to trust God's timing. And I know that trusting his timing will allow me to have a sense of inner peace. And I feel like I do. Like, I feel like I trust, you know, God's timing. I feel like I trust that things will happen. I feel like I know that I'm meant for greater and I'm meant for more than I have now. But at the same time, sometimes it just feels like I'm stagnant. And I feel like I've always been afraid to be stagnant in my life. Whether it's work, whether it's love, whether it's school. I never want to be stagnant. I'm always striving for more and striving for more at all times. And I feel like right now I've been the most stagnant. Of course, I have my blessings and I have things that are still working for me, but I also have goals that I have set for myself, and I feel like I'm just not accomplishing them. And I don't know if I'm my biggest hater, my biggest critic, my biggest obstacle, overcoming myself and my thoughts and my fears. Maybe subconsciously somehow I'm stopping myself from growing, stopping myself from gaining the blessings. I don't know. This is things aren't always peaches and cream. Like I go through it, and I've go through it more often than not, and I just try to, it seems like, you know, to the outside world, like I have it all together. I live this perfect life. I don't, you know, and maybe it doesn't seem like that. Maybe it's just in my head, but I don't live a perfect life. I have my pains. I have my struggles. I have my shortcomings that I feel are short and other may see as great. I wanted to come on here and just show you guys that everything isn't great. I am kind of going through it, so if my body language and the way I'm speaking and my mood changes during this week's vlog, it's because I'm kind of going through something. And yeah, that's all I can really say, because there's not much else to say. So that's about it. I'll talk to you guys later. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.
Out here.
At Jolie Dens.
Yep.
With my sis.
Yeah, we here.
Let me show. Oh, let me not even put everybody on camera. Oh. Hey. Guess what I'm with today, y'all? Do we look alike?
I look crazy right now, though.
Do we look alike? Kind of. A little bit. Where's their food? I'm about to call her.
Yeah, she said she was coming today, I think.
I did a very weak attempt to fasting. I said fasting. To vlogging today. There's a whole bunch of noise around this area because they're always weird around this area. I only came out today just to take pictures, solely just to take pictures. This is my outfit. My content isn't getting the love that it used to get. Like since March, my content has not been getting, it's barely been getting over 500 likes, let alone 1,000, which is what I usually get. But I'm gonna show you guys when I get inside. Hey guys. Right? I'm surprised. I'm so surprised. Look at her. But she's not saying anything to them. Well, I'm out. You said it's not about you? Anyways, I'm out with the gang. Shawnee, where you at? Boom. Boom. We're at the Color Factory. We're at the Color Factory. I'm gonna show you guys around a little bit and then we're gonna go to eat. Look at how cute this is. Oh my god, so cute. But now I gotta, my mask is lopsided because it's not fully on my ear. Hold on. Hello. Let me get this going. Okay, cool. There we go. Now it's on. We're taking pictures. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2. Ah, my knee! Oh, there we go. Look how cute this is.
Take one, I'm sick.
That's cute. I like that. Send that to me.
Everything's getting sent.
Ooh, this reminds me of
One button.
it looks like Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory at this point.
Look at my shoes.
This is so cute. I want a picture here. This is so cute. It's a little button. Hi, Jay.
Well, fans, YouTubers.
Look, he got no hair color. Peep his outfit though. Peep his outfit. Is he giving very much Sunday service? Come on now. Come on. Oh. I don't know. I want a picture. Here. Right? Isn't it cute? Guys, we're doing an activity where we have to like color and give each other mold. Pick your pencil and look at the first of the parchment. And then we circle begin to draw the portrait with one lifting your pencil off the page. Keeping your eyes on the front of the pencil. This is called the blind contour. So this is what I'm about to start doing. Can you see it? How am I gonna do this? Look at my drawing of him. Oh. Here you go. Aww, he's so cute. Definitely taking a picture here. Look at this. Ew. All right. Hey. do the LOP. We're about to go to Omar's kitchen and grab something to eat because we're all hungry. I think at this point we're all equally as hungry. Okay. I've never been there before, so I don't know what I'm gonna pick, but hopefully I get something that's good. Okay. We got our food. We got Omar's kitchen. Excuse me. You're on the wrong one. Because I would say hello. Oh look, he's looking over here. I'll tell him. You want me to tell him to come? Shady. We're at Omar's kitchen. And I got this. We are Omar's kitchen. Let me show you guys my food. And got some dirt. Everybody got that. Everybody got some plantains. I got some lamb sliders. I'm waiting for my rice and peas and my vegetables. They're playing with me. And they don't bring it on a one plate thing. She's at a different table though. It's fast. It's vlogging. Battery is about to die like really soon, so I'm gonna just go ahead and close out this video because I did not close it out when I went out with my friends. So yeah, we ended up at Omar's kitchen, which I think you guys saw, and then I went to my friend Shawnee's house for a little bit, and then I came back home. So yeah, I've just been so busy, so it's just so much going on, but I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog either way. It hasn't been the greatest. I haven't been on here for so long. It's been kind of confusing. You see me crying in one clip and then I'm not crying in the next. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and leave comments down below on what it is that you would like to see, and I'll try to make sure to include that. And yeah, bye.